to the rescue, pero hindi inabot. Dog, scorer, pag-ibig nagbalian ang score. There's a whistle, foul jersey number 22. Ardama, jersey number 16. First goal, no good kay Ardama. Sino kaya ang mananalo sa labanang ito? Second goal kay Ardama. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Remocha, pero hindi kaya. Same ball position. Remocha. Pass to Sanchez to Remocha. Remocha is looking for him to Teres. Teres, sayang. Hindi umabot. Rebound by jersey number 11 sa ilalim. Number 5 ang mga dos. Referred by jersey number 5. Teres sa ilalim. May kasama pang foul si Teres. Foul jersey number 12. Pushing foul. Committed by jersey number 12. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw kay Teres. Yes, 50% by Teres. Teres, second throw for rebound. Yes, completo Ricardos by Teres. Jersey number 8, Almeres, dribbling the ball. Looking for the open man to pass to Payusan. Shot knocked down to 15. Shot knocked down to 10. Down to 5. Shot knock violation. Shot knock violation. 8 minutes and 20, basket not counted. 8 minutes and 23 seconds, time remaining. Sanchez. Pass to Teres. Teres, Berger, no good. Intercepted by Ardama. There's no whistle. Same ball position. Same ball position. Ardama to Sanchez. Sanchez dumistante ng dos. Rebound by Lagos. Nice block. Single position. 7 minutes and 58 seconds. Ardama ang dumistante ng dos. Basket count by Kasama Pabrigado. Foul jersey number 22. Third personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus no kay Ardama. What a nice move by Ardama. Ardama. No good. Rebound by Lagos ang gumawa ng dos. Rebound again. But hindi kinaya. Rebound by number 9 on the Viscante. Intercepted. Sanchez. Wow. What a vigorous move by Sanchez. What a nice move, Lagos. Good work by Lagos. Number 9, pass sideline to Payusan. Juan Teres. Teres, story Mocha. Reed Mocha. 7 minutes and 32 seconds, time remaining. 7:30. Number 2. Controlling the ball. Shot clock down to 15. Down to 10. Yes, good for 2. Sanchez dribbling the ball. Pass to number 29, Ramos make a 2. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. As to Almeres. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock down to 15. Down to 10. Down to 5. Make a three. No good. Rebound by Ardava. Ardava. Gomez Carte. See Ardava. What a nice move by Ardava. Rebound by Lamos. Side left. Yes.